Hi, young explorers. Welcome to the wonderful world of alphabets. In this exciting journey, we'll explore each letter from A to Z, uncovering their sounds, shapes, and the magical words they help to create. A is for apple. Apples are delicious and healthy. Can you say apple? Repeat with me. A is for apple. B is for ball. They are fun to play with. Can you say ball? Repeat with me. B is for ball. C is for car. Let's take a ride in the car. Can you say car? Repeat with me. C is for car. D for dog. Dogs were among the first animals to be domesticated by humans. Can you say dog? Repeat with me. D for dog. E for elephant. Elephants are known for their remarkable intelligence. Can you say elephant? Repeat with me. E for elephant. F for fish. Fish have highly developed sensory organs. Can you say fish? Repeat with me. F for fish. G for goat. Goats are incredibly adaptable animals. Can you say goat? Repeat with me. G for goat. H for horse. Horses are known for their speed. Can you say horse? Repeat with me. H for horse. I for igloo. Igloos are dome-shaped structures made from blocks of compacted snow. Can you say igloo? Repeat with me. I for igloo. J for jug. Jug holds water. Can you say jug? Repeat with me. J for jug. K for kangaroo. Kangaroos are herbivores and primarily eat grasses, leaves, and shoots. Can you say kangaroo? Repeat with me. K for kangaroo. L for lamp. Lamps are designed to provide light and enhance visibility. Can you say lamp? Repeat with me. L for lamp. M for mouse. Mice are highly social creatures and often live in groups. Can you say mouse? Repeat with me. M for mouse. N for nest. Nests are primarily built to provide shelter and protection for eggs and young animals. Can you say N-E-S-T? Repeat with me. N for nest. O for owl. Owls are primarily nocturnal, meaning they are active at night. Can you say O-W-L? Repeat with me. O for owl. P for pig. Pigs are highly intelligent creatures, known to be as smart as dogs. Can you say pig? Repeat with me. P for pig. Q for queen. A queen is typically a female monarch who rules a kingdom or territory. Can you say queen? Repeat with me. Q for queen. R for rabbit. Rabbits are highly social creatures and often live in groups called colonies. Can you say rabbit? Repeat with me. R for rabbit. S for ship. Do you know ships are built to last, often serving for 20 to 30 years? Can you say ship? Repeat with me. S for ship. T for tea. Tea is rich in antioxidants and has been linked to various health benefits. Can you say TEA? Repeat with me. T for tea. U for umbrella. Umbrellas are primarily designed to shield against rain and sunlight. Can you say umbrella? Repeat with me. U for umbrella. V for vase. Vases are decorative containers often used for holding flowers. Can you say V-A-S-E? Repeat with me. V for vase. W for wolf. Wolves are carnivorous and primarily hunt large prey like deer, elk, and bison. Can you say wolf? Repeat with me. W for wolf. X for X-ray. X-rays penetrate soft tissues but are absorbed by denser materials like bones. Can you say X-ray? Repeat with me. X for X-ray. Y for yoga. Regular practice of yoga can improve flexibility, strength, balance, and posture. Can you say yoga? Repeat with me. Y for yoga. Z for zebra. Each zebra has a unique stripe pattern, much like human fingerprints. Can you say zebra? Repeat with me. Z for zebra. And that brings us to the end of our alphabet adventure. Remember, each letter is a building block for countless words and stories. Explorers, if you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more fun learning adventures. Until next time, keep smiling and keep learning.